Today start the second class Python second unit. So already first unit and the seventh topic I told no ma. So one by one I explain this video. First, what is the object? Second, what is a class? What is mean by object? An object is the basic key concept of the object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming language. As the mentioned before, it can be anything around us. A person, place, any activities or other identifiable entities. Every object is characterized by three categories is using create the object. Whatever the categories is there, identify then properties, then behaviors. So what is meant by identify? This is the name that identify on object. For example, students is the name given by anybody who is the pursuing the course. On iPhone is the mobile phone that has been launched by the Apple. So understood the examples. iPhone is the mobile phone. Which company is the launched? Apple in INC. That is the Apple INC is called the identity. Then whatever the properties, these are the features or attributes of the object. For example, the students will have his name, age, class, date of birth, etc. So suppose we can collect the student details. This all properties is the must. As is the attributes or properties. The mobile phone has model colors, price, model colors, then price and properties. Okay. So behaviors. A behaviors of one object signified what all functions or object can perform. For example, the students can pass or fail the examination. The mobile phone can click and store the photographs. Behave like and camera. So on the object, the clearly the define an entities, the term is properties and behaviors. Consider on examples the object Windows mobile phones. This phone has certain the properties and certain the functions which are the different from any other mobile phone. Yeah, Salafi understood clearly. So different categories phone you bought, different features, the different categories of phone is there. Phone itself is there. Size or some features is advanced feature is there. That is called the behaviors. The three of the categories using create the object. Understood? What is a class? So a class is a group of object. Class is a group of object with the same attributes and common behaviors. Same attributes and common behaviors. So same attributes and common behaviors. Same attributes and common behaviors. Is basically the blueprint that create the object. An object is the basic key concept of the OOPS, but classes provide an ability to create generalize the similar type of object. The both and data and functions operating the data on bundled as a unit is a class for the same categories of object. Same categories of object. Here the examples term, same categories of object. Let us take the examples of mobile phone. So Windows phone or Android phone and iPhone all fall into the categories on mobile phone. So the four categories of mobile phone you bought, so all the same categories called the mobile phone. But it's the different name is there. So all of this or instance the class mobile phone or called the object. all mobile phone are called the object. Understood? Yeah, this paragraph only the same categories explain. Example. Yeah, the class is the mobile phone is there. Here date, model, colors, price, functions, store numbers and missed call details. The class define the form of the creations of the object of its the type. The object or the created is instance of the class and show the figures. The class mobile. So this is the main function. The Nokia, Lumia and Asha and the iPhone. So different categories of object. This is the main function. This is the sub function. Categories of classes. This is the main class. This is the three of the subclass. Understood? Now clear I think. So what is the object? Objects means what? Objects three categories using. Then what is a class? Now discuss about the what is the encapsulation. Yeah, this already learned the CPP. The same concept include the Python. Okay. So that's why I tell the what is what. Not what purpose using this object only I tell. So encapsulation, you know that encapsulation is the basic concept of OOPS is the combining of data on the function associated. Data on function associated. With the data, that data is a single unit of unit in the most of the language including Python. This unit is called the class. Figures before figures I show no a mobile phone the three categories and Nokia and iPad and Asha. This all categories again explain this Python. The mobile phone given under the subtopic. The classes we see the name of the class. The properties or attributes or behaviors are all the enclosed under one independent unit. Each is called the one independent unit. Is there no? Each is called the one independent unit. It's understood clearly? The symbol we can say the encapsulation implemented through the class. In fact, the data and member. A class can be accessed through its member function only. It keeps the data safe from any extensions, interface and abuses. The only way to access the data is through the function of the class. Through the function of the class. Understood, friends? Yeah, three topic understood. Yeah, next video I put the data. What is the data hiding, data abstraction, inheritance, then polymorphism. The four topic I explained. If you like this video, please share your friends. Then subscribe my channel. Then comment. Put it comment section. Any suggestion inform to me. I change this teaching method. This teaching method you understood or not? If you not understood, not clear, please inform. Put it comment section. Thank you, friends. Bye.